Hello my fellow freedom builders and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very quick video about a new swing trading candidate. I know I normally do them on Monday, but as I mentioned in the weekend, it was half closed Monday and completely closed Tuesday in US due to 4th of July. So I chose to postpone it. I did close down a couple of positions though Monday. That was the X-ray and the AJG here, both in profit. We have one trade right now in a minus, that is Monster Beverage. It's not performing that well, so I might close that down today. We'll just have a look at how it performs. The market is a bit red in the futures market before the open, so let's see what happens. However, I do have a single trade for you today, and that is the Micron Technology. Now, if we look at the fundamentals, it might not be the best of the best. They have revised some of their estimates down, and it might not be one I was willing to take on a on an option trade, on a cash secured put, or something like that. However, as a swing trade, it might actually be quite fine. If you're looking at this, we have a triple, actually 4 or 5 times tested high here. And we can see that it moved in a very large span here. You can see between the 50 and the 63.4-ish here. Then it broke up, it has higher highs, higher lows here. And now it has retraced down to this area. And if we look at it, we can see that this could be, let's just draw a line here. We have a line here. And we do have, let's just have the right line. We have a line here, so that is a triangle getting closer and closer here. If this one can show some upwards movement now, I would be quite satisfied with taking this one on as a swing trade, aiming for something like, yeah, well, it wouldn't take much to reach 5%, and we have 10% here, and even 15, 16% up here. I wouldn't necessarily go as long as aiming for 15 to 16%, even though it would be nice. But in the swing trading, I am doing a bit of a shorter term swing. So a week or two, if we can squeeze 3, 5, 7% out of it, that would be very nice. So I'm monitoring it and seeing what happens. We can see in the pre-market it's actually down something like 1% today, so we might even get in a bit cheaper if we are a bit risky. But as you know, I do like to see a bit of a green day when I enter. So that is basically it, and of course I found it here on the screener choosing the United States here. I do like a certain cap, and there are going to be a filter soon so that we have the cap here. And then the MU, that was here. It is a decent company, but looking down into the fundamentals, as I said, it's not completely great. It is in a good long-term uptrend. We can just have a quick look at it here. Oh, sorry. Let's see if I can spell. Sorry, that is my bad. Just a second. Here we go. Have to punch it in the right place. And we get Micron Technology here. As you can see, if you look into the fundamentals, they are not great. They are getting lower on the earnings per share and so on. However, many analysts are still at a buy to strong buy here, and they are a fairly solid company. But as you can see, there it has been revised down quite a lot. All right, looking at the TPI chart. Let's see if we can get that up here. It is in a long-term good green uptrend here. It has been in this accumulation oversold period here, and right now it has turned green on a weekly and at an accumulation oversold on a daily. So it should be at a place where it would be reasonable safe to put on a swing trade. That's all for now. I hope this was a bit of inspiration. Remember, these swing trades, it's not trading signals. Use your own methods and strategies. This is just to give you some ideas as to what to put in a shorter term swing trading portfolio. That's all for now. Take care of yourself and your money out there, and I'll talk to you again shortly. Bye.